Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to add a transparent background in Instagram stories. Make sure to watch the video until the end so you get all the steps you need for this process. Let's get started. Let's dive right in and head over to the Instagram app. The first thing you want to do is to create a new story by swiping to the right. For this video, we're just going to choose a photo from our photo library. To put transparency on this background, the first thing you want to do is to tap the three dots in the upper right corner and then tap draw. And then you want to tap the highlighter, which is the third option. Now you can choose the color you want the background to be, or you can select one of the colors from the color palette at the bottom of the screen. I'm going with white. The next thing you want to do is to tap and hold your finger on the screen until the background changes. As you can see, the picture now appears color washed. Now, simply tap on save. Now tap the sticker icon, and here you will see a new option called cutouts. Click on it and select the same picture. What this will do is cut out the background and make it a PNG sticker, as you can see here. Tap on the Use Sticker option in the right corner. This will save the cutout image as a sticker. Tap on it and adjust the sticker as needed. This is an amazing way to add a transparent background in Instagram stories and make your posts stand out. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. I'll see you in the next video.